In a recession, there are two types of people. People who are making money and people who aren't making any money. The question is, what side do you want to be on? My name is Salim Mohammed and I entered this entrepreneurial world for the past 10 months. I must say, luckily for us or people like myself, there are quite a number of individuals that had a lot of failed stories to which we can learn from and skip the failure phases and go directly to success. So one thing I've learned I'm gonna share with you all is how to apply these 5 criterions to measure an opportunity. Opportunities are all around us, but how do you know how to get yourself involved in these opportunities? Right? So the first of the 5 is the product. What is the business offering? I asked 2 questions about the product. The first question is this something people really need right now? Is there a need in the marketplace for the product? And the answer is yes. Of course. Who doesn't want an additional form of income to assist their financial needs, right? The second question is, does the product fit the need? For years and years to come, they will always have the Forex market. Once each country has their own currency and we do trading between countries, it will always have the Forex market. So yes, it satisfies the needs. The second criterion is the company. Now this is a company that is debt free. It doesn't need new clients to keep afloat. The $5 trillion a day Forex market attracts millions of people with a shared dream of financial freedom. The CASHFX group is artfully combining the technical experience required for Forex success with a dedicated corporate team, state-of-the-art headquarters, and a passion for helping others with a strong desire to improve their lives. With over 120,000 plus members in 185 countries, they've conducted over 209,000 plus payouts. So the answer is yes, 100% solid, bulletproof company. So I guess we're rocking and rolling, right? The third criterion is, how do you earn money? Because if you look at this from a business perspective, is it worth your time? Can you make money? And that's the key thing for people to know. Can you make quick, part-time, or full-time money? And the answer is yes. So you have a good product, you have a good company, you have a good compensation plan. What about the support tools and systems? What you have? So this CASHFX group have a ticketed support system that channels your direct needs and questions. You have the conversion pros partnering with the CASHFX group to advance your marketing and software skills. You have fast payments and layered security to keep your money safe and confidential. You have transparent reporting in your back office, giving you access to your trade results and easily check your CASHFX historical data. You also have live virtual events, giving company updates with plans for the future, compensation plan updates, etc. So the right support tools and systems, check out for sure. And the last thing, but not the least, is the right timing. We are in a pandemic and the predefined methods of earning an income are quickly dwindling away. A lot of companies are working from home now, and we've seen the highest unemployment rates in the history of our time. Earning an income is at the top of everyone's minds right now. The CASHFX group has created a way to earn a living from the comfort of your home. We want everyone to look and feel their best with no financial worries. It's a brand new opportunity and so many people are excited about it. So if you're the kind of person that wants to earn a weekly, recurring income, work from home, be healthier, more vibrant, then stay on this call as we go through in details how this business plan works. Or reach out to the person that shared this video with you and get back to them. I look forward to seeing each one of you on this exciting and rewarding journey. Take care.
All right. Good evening, everyone. I trust and hope that you all had a wonderful day. and we are back here live sharing this wonderful opportunity with you. My name is Mark Daniels, and we are on Monday to Friday starting at 7 p.m. nightly. All right. So folks, here we are. My name is Mark. I'm going to walk you through this presentation. And as we go along, there are certain things that I would ask you to remember. And these stuff that you need to remember, these stuff that, separates us from the rest when it comes to this company. All right, so let's go here. Number one, there is absolutely no referrals needed. What am I saying? I'm saying that you can be a part of CASHFX and absolutely you do not need to refer people. You can be a part of it and be completely anonymous. All right. Number two, there is no monthly subscription fees. There's no hidden fee in CASHFX either. And there's no mandatory meetings to attend. And last but not least, we have the pros trading for us. The pros that trade for us Monday to Friday pays us in Bitcoin every single Saturday like clockwork. All right. So folks, this is, remember these stuff as we go along. The name of our company, it is the CASHFX Group. All right. So having said that, welcome to CASHFX, where success in the global Forex markets is just a few mouse clicks away. This legacy company took advantage of two major trending industries. You know that we do everything online now. We school, we work, we have events online, we do everything online. So CASHFX took advantage of that and offer education about the Forex market to every single member that joins this platform. All right. Now, you may have heard of the stock market or the equity market or even the features market, and these markets are powerful markets. But then we have the global Forex market. An average of $5.3 trillion is being traded daily in the Forex market. It has proven to be recession-proof, and it is the most, it is the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. All right. And you would see the power of this, the Forex market later on in this presentation. So these are the two major trending industries, e-learning of education online and e-earning. You earn online from the Forex market. Of course, we would venture into those questions later on. Now, CASHFX, we pride ourselves in some values. Transparency, honesty, respect, not to one person, but to every person, every member in the organization. All right. Our purpose, that everyone that joins this platform can discover financial success in the global Forex market minus the risk of trading Forex on your own. And we have definitely positioned ourselves very competitive to all other platforms. And you can definitely check that out. All right. So CASHFX was put together by a team of professionals. Now, these professionals would have included project management, network marketing, financial expert in financial markets, and even the educational arena. Now, why is this significant? Now, we're dealing with business here, and people's money are being involved. And we want to have the confidence at all times that the best team is handling our stuff. All right. This team was put together by our founders, Wasco Lopez, who is our CEO, and Edwin Abad, who is the expert when it comes to trading and those stuff. And he's in charge of that. Our headquarters, it's in Panama City, Panama. Yes, it's a physical office. It's open as of today, February, to the public. Of course, you definitely have to make your appointments and whatnot, but you can make your appointment and visit and see what we're all about there. For those persons who have not yet been there and want to see what it's like, allow me to share with you a short clip of what our headquarters looks like. All right. folks, there you have it. There you have it, and you see what our headquarters looks like. And you can, if you happen to be in Panama City, Panama, you can stop by and say hello to our team there. All right, folks. So the important question is, well, how do I get started? CASHFX have a series of 15 contracts, and these contracts are divided into 3 categories. The first, starting from the least, the minimum amount you can start with this company being 300 USD, 300 USD to 3,000 USD, you are exposed to the elemental plan of education. This is where you learn the basic principles about basic terms about the Forex market and so forth. Then we have the advanced plan from 5,000 to 20,000. And then we have the supreme plan of education from $30,000 to $100,000, which is the largest contract you can have in CASHFX. Now, at this point, you can go into the Forex market and trade for yourselves, and you would understand what you're about. Because at this point, if you would have been following the education, you would have been, at this point, you would have been equipped to maneuver in the Forex market on your own. Of course, this is completely optional. You don't have to follow education if you don't want to. All right. Now, the $1 million question is, well, how do I earn in this platform? You earn in 2 different ways. The first, it is bare capital. Now, bare capital is where you participate passively in this business. You purchase a contract, allow CASHFX to do what they do, trade Monday to Friday, pay you passively every single Saturday in Bitcoin, like clockwork. You would continue to earn passively without doing anything on that contract until it reaches 2 times the value that you got started with. So if you got started with $1,000, when it reaches $2,000, you stop earning passively. Your contract expires, right? And that is bare capital. Purchase a contract, put your money to work for you. The second option is, the second way you can earn in this platform, it is bull capital, or this is the network marketing side of the business where you refer persons. Now, when you refer at least one person, you qualify for bull capital rewards. Those are fast start bonuses, uni-level bonuses, matching matrix bonuses, leadership rank bonuses. And here, by activating the bull side of the business, the bull capital side, you will enable yourself to earn an additional 2 times the value of the contract that you got started with. All right. So basically, you earn 2 times on the same contract on the bear side, the same contract 2 times on the bull side. Now, as for persons who continue to bring persons into the platform, you will accumulate points. Now, these points will enable you to achieve different ranks in the business, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Now, for the sake of math, we're going to use a $1,000 contract to show you how it really works. All right. So we have a $1,000 contract that is split up into 70-30. The 70% goes to our broker that is insured, regulated and insured, licensed and insured, regulated to trade our money. Now that goes to our trading pool to trade for you. On the bear side, you are able to earn up to $2,000 on this $1,000 contract. On the bull side, we have the 30% goes to pay for your academy product. That is the education that they offer, as well as it is split up into fast start bonus and uni level bonuses. And here you are able to earn an additional $2,000 on the same $1,000 contract. Now, for those persons who are participating passively, when you get to $2,000, you have 2 options. The first, you can take your $2,000. There's a 20% withdrawal fee. Don't be alarmed. We're going to explain where that goes shortly. So when that 20% is deducted, you have $1,600 remaining. Now, the first option is for you to take your $1,600 and leave CASHFX, no love lost. The second option is take your $600 profit, use 1,000, repurchase the contract, and repeat this process again. Now that's the second option. But then there's a third and even better option for those persons who are in this for long term and they actually want to get the benefits from it. Now you can utilize this third, and it's a very interesting option, by the way. That is where you utilize the law of compounding to compound your interest to earn even greater amounts as you go on. So this is a roadmap that gives you or shows you how you can start with the minimum $300 and upgrade all the way up to a $100,000 contract with a time period from about 5 to 7 years. All right. Here is how it works. We have a $300 contract, then we have the $500 contract. Now the difference between the two is just $200. We do not need $500 to purchase the $500 contract. What we need is $200. So from the money you earn in CASHFX, you compound that money in your account. What you need is $250. Why the $50? That $50 is the 20% that is going to be deducted. Then the two goes to pay for your $500 contract, and it works the same way with every single contract. In the third column, you find from if you want to upgrade from a 500 contract to 1,000, you need 625. 5 goes to pay for your contract, and 125 is the 20% withdrawal fee. If you want to upgrade from a 15,000 contract to a 20,000 contract, you need $6,250, and it goes the same way with every single contract. Now, you do not have to follow this roadmap here. This is just for the persons who are in it long term and want to participate passively only. This is a roadmap on how you can upgrade to different contracts. Now, for those persons who want to actually earn faster by activating the bull side or starting, let's say, on a $20,000 contract, you can absolutely go right ahead. All right. Now, the 20% withdrawal fee that we were talking about, it goes into what we call a 3x10 force matrix. Now, the 3x10 force matrix was designed for longevity and sustainability. It can run on its own. It is an additional stream of passive income, bare capital. All right. So here is how it's designed. Only it is it's 3 wide and 10 levels deep. All right. So we have 3 columns, 3 persons on your level 1, and there cannot ever be more than 3 persons existing on your level 1 at any given time. All right. On level 2, only 9 persons can exist on that level at any time. Level 3, only 27 persons. And if you notice, it multiplies by 3 every level you go down. All right. So it continues to go like that. And as people join CASHFX, they fall into this matrix automatically. And sooner or later, you're going to need to withdraw your money from the platform. And that 20% goes here, and it pays the members of the company. Not the owners, but the members of the business. And yes, sooner or later, you can earn and will earn from this matrix as well. If you haven't as yet, it just means that people under you didn't withdraw any money as yet. But when they do, you're going to get commissions from the matrix. All right, so that's where the 20% withdrawal fee goes. It does not benefit the company one bit, but it is beneficial to the members of the company. For those persons who want to accelerate the bull capital side and accelerate the earnings by activating that side of the business, here's how it works. Everyone that enters the business is called an ace trader. Now, an ace trader is able to earn up to 4 levels deep in their organization. Here is how it works. I bring in A, is going to be on my level 1. A bring in B, B is going to be on my level 2. B bring in C, C is going to be on my level 3. C bring in D, D is going to be on my level 4. But if D decide to bring anyone else in, those persons going to be falling on my level 5 and 6, and I will not get those uni-level bonuses. Now, in order for me to access those bonuses, I need to rank up. The first rank in this business is executive. Now, what does that mean? That means that myself and my team needs to generate 50,000 USD in business within a 30 days period. And I'm going to reach the rank of executive, unlocking level 5 and 6, accessing those bonuses. Manager unlock up to level 8, director unlock up to level 9, president club, ambassador and global ambassador unlock to level infinity. Every single individual in the organization. All right, so this is absolutely amazing. And as you go to these different ranks, CASHFX recognize that it is a lot of work to achieve these ranks. So they reward you accordingly as well. So for the first rank of executive, we have a price of an iPad, or you can take 75% of its cash value. For manager, you can take your Rolex watch or 75% of its cash value. Director, you can go on your trip or take the cash. President club, you can take your car or you can take your cash. Ferrari, you can take your ambassador, you can take your Ferrari or you can take your cash. And for the highest rank of all, global ambassador, you can take your Lamborghini or you can take your cash. Now, in order for you to claim these prices, you definitely have to be at a live event to claim these prices. Now, all of this that you're looking at here, it is definitely amazing and wonderful. But what really is absolutely amazing about this company is the result of what it has been doing for the past 2 years and counting. All right, so let us look at some numbers. For January, I am definitely going to put up this for what we had for January. From 10 to the 14th, we got 3.89% return. From the 17th to the 21st, we had 3.94% return. And for last week, we got 4.12% return. Now, all of these are consistency. We don't get anything less than 3 to about what, 5% return. We don't get anything less really than that. And what you will find in CASHFX, when the pandemic was continues, well, we can't say was because it's still here, continue to reap havoc throughout the world. Last year, CASHFX paid their members 254.74% return. And if this is not amazing, last year, because last year we had some economic activities happening, but when the pandemic was at its peak, people getting laid off, sent home, businesses being wiped out, people crying basically. Guess what CASHFX did in 2020? They paid their members 329.54% return. That is amazing because no financial institution is doing this right now. And yes, the question that you all want to hear is, well, how do I get started? And we want to answer that question for you this evening. You need to acquire Bitcoin. Now, to acquire Bitcoin, you may have a little challenges, but no problem there. Reach out to the leaders. We can purchase the Bitcoin and get you started immediately. But there's some stuff that you need to know about Bitcoin as we go along. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a digital money, as it's a digital asset. All right. Now, Bitcoin, when compared with fiat currency or the paper money, Bitcoin was created by computers, fiat currency issued by the government. Bitcoin, there's a fixed amount. Fiat currency, there is inflation, unlimited printing. What does that mean? It means that your money will lose its value over a period of time. All right. Bitcoin does not operate that way. Bitcoin has a public database called blockchain. There's absolutely transparency, no transparency when it comes to fiat currency. Bitcoin, it is decentralized, meaning it is not owned by one person or entity, but by everyone. Fiat currency, owned by the banks and the governments. Yeah, they own that. It's centralized. Bitcoin allows you to transfer money internationally with very low fees. Well, you know, if you want to transfer a few $100s to a different country, how ridiculous it is. The rates are, all right? Bitcoin gives you control of your funds at all times. You can move your funds wherever, whenever, however you want on, well, Bitcoin that is. But you know that the bank can freeze your account at any given time if they see too much activities or whatever going on there. Now, here is where you find the why Bitcoin is superior to fiat currency. All right. Now, to be a part of CASHFX, you do not need to refer persons, but you absolutely need to be referred by someone. So if the person did not send you a referral link, do not get started. You cannot Google CASHFX and get started. If you do that, you're going to end up in some trouble that you really don't want to be a part of. All right. So no referral link, no sign up, period. Well, the next question is, how do I get back my money? Now, you can get back your money in two different ways. You can reach out to us, the leaders in this business. We can convert the Bitcoin for you into whatever currency you desire. Or we can put you onto some global exchange MasterCards that allow you to store your Bitcoin on these cards for yourselves, giving you access and control of your funds at all times. And any way that accepting Visa MasterCards, you can go around and conduct your daily business as per normal. All right, folks, so I went through this, this presentation so that you can do what matters. And what matters is earning an extra stream of passive residual income in this present time. All right, so if you got value from what you heard, what you saw this evening, reach out to the person that invited you to this call, that shared this link with you, and they're going to walk you through the necessary steps to get started. All right, so I'm looking forward to see you on this rewarding and exciting journey. Have a wonderful evening and stay safe.